Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Indian Red Cross Society West Jinghikai Hills Unit Klapenlong yake Jinghikai First Aid Training kabalai Sngi Lynter kablas dang hakap penyo terek bat yake bara pinkut no hakap kundai tuk unailar arajar arpusan. Hagan yake Jinghikai ledan long chairman jong ke Indian Red Cross Society West Jinghikai Hills Unit uba W Lingdo ublalong kumukang san baki rusham phang na ke Indian Red Cross Society Shillong kibla Jinghikai kilong upi dam uba Albert CL Nongrum kakong MGR Shabong bagakong iba na laswer. Skul Blashim benta hagan ke Jinghikai kilong kakyang nang ba Government Higher Secondary School Jowai, ka Thomas Jones Higher Secondary School Jowai, ke St Mary Mazzarello Higher Secondary School Jowai, ka Government Boys Higher Secondary School Jowai, ka Government Girls Higher Secondary School Jowai, ka KGP Sinat Mingi Higher Secondary School Jowai, ka Presbyterian Secondary School, ka St. Raj Higher Secondary School Jowai, ka Thalabo Presbyterian Higher Secondary School, ka St. Michael and All Angels Secondary School, ka Modern Secondary School, ka Mukindur Secondary School, but Little Angel Secondary School Jowai.
Now includes the program starting 5. Still, it is between classmates can be seen here. Will you open and rewrite it? No. We'll apply another one on top.
I pledge myself to care for my own health and that of others, to help the sick and suffering, especially children, and to look upon other children all over the world as my friends. From the pledge itself, we could understand a voluntary organization first to take care for my own health, take care for our friends, take care for others. So to say, we are living in this modern world. First, we have to concentrate our own health. We have to help others also. As a teachers, I feel that we have to do something. I do remember when I was a teacher, I try my level best how to make students understand. You also the same. How much you have rendered, how much service. So this Red Cross Society is a very special thing to guide our students to be healthy. Healthy mind is a healthy body.
JRC is the student wing of the Red Cross Society, designed to engage young people in humanitarian work and instill the principle of the Red Cross Society. It operates its schools involving students in activities that promoting health, service to others, and international understanding, often through hands-on activities training. The aim is to develop responsible citizens with a strong sense of social responsibility and compassion. Junior Red Cross is a movement specific for students, typically organized with the schools, and they led by a teacher known as a counselor, or for JRC, for Junior Red Cross, and for YRC, Youth Red Cross, is known as Program Officer. The JRC is meant for the student right from class 5 up to class 12 of each group from 6 to 17 and 18, but if they cross that age to go to they proceed for the higher study, for the graduate, they'll become a Youth Red Cross.